What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, man, I got a ride along with a special guest. Go ahead and shout out whatever you want to shout out.
What's up? I'm OJ, 51OJ on Instagram, 51OJ _.
And then what about YouTube? Because you got YouTube, right?
Yeah, my YouTube is OJ456 _.
Okay.
So I'm trying to get that going. There's videos up there, but
what
new
kind of car you
content
got?
on the way soon. I got the G35 over here.
Okay.
You may show it soon.
Okay.
But yeah, we got more stuff coming on the way.
Okay. He a little nervous, y'all.
It's my first video.
So this is his first video, but it's okay. So he wanted to ride in the Infiniti Q50. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's do it.
Let's get it.
We just seen some activity, but luckily we're not shooting a video over here. No. Have you ever been in a tuned car before?
The Q50 had a J before, but I'm pretty sure this is like better than that.
Ooh, JB4, okay. Well, this is a base tune, so it's not gonna be as fast. It's faster, but it's not as fast to where I'm trying to get the E85. If you guys know, I'm on route to try to get E85 in my Q50, and I just told him before the video that once I get it, he can come back and do a video and like kind of do a comparison, which one is faster. Of course, the E85 gonna be faster. You know, it's that corn gas, but yeah, we got a lot of activity out right now. Disclaimer: I'm shooting this video in Mexico. We're in Tijuana right now, where everything is legal. If you want to try this at your own discretion. Yeah.
VR transition smooth.
You felt that?
I felt it.
You felt the transmission?
Hell yeah, it's way smoother than the 5-speed.
You think so?
It's way smooth. Because it doesn't lag. This one just, every time it hits. See, like if you would have kept going, it would have hit the shift perfect.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm in manual. Right now. Let's go on this cool little freeway. I think I got full throttle. That's why the VQ and the VR Trans, like, it goes perfect together. That's what I keep telling people, is that it's actually really worth it. Really worth it. So if you're looking for a VR Trans, definitely go get one.
Definitely. If I had a Q50, I would for sure do this one.
It's not expensive too. It's not expensive what people think.
Because Infiniti parts are pretty cheap. They're a dime a dozen, so you can find parts everywhere.
Find parts everywhere, yeah. You go to the if you're in SAC, if you're in the Bay Area, you can go to Recycle Road, where they have a whole bunch of places, but they have that one place, SAC City Auto Parts.
That's where I got my mirror in.
Oh,
I had my car cover on, I took off my car cover,
yeah.
I had the mirrors out, and it ripped the mirror right off.
Oh,
and I looked on eBay, and they had the exact color and everything, like same, like, fade, like, it looked like it was probably the same year and everything.
Okay.
So they got Yanni parts, they
definitely got them. So you do YouTube. So while we in traffic, what do you do on your YouTube?
For the most part, it's just little vlogs of me going out with my friends, just me doing random stuff to the car.
Okay.
Just my everyday life sometimes.
Okay.
Because I don't know if most people. Well, if you watch my videos, you know I'm in school and you know me personally, but a lot of people think I'm like in college or stuff.
That's what I thought.
I'm graduating this year in a couple weeks.
He's in high school, y'all.
Oh yeah.
He's in high school. He found me on YouTube, man.
Like I seen him, I was looking for subs, and Yeah, the video, and I was like, wait, no, those are, I recognize those back roads. I drive that every day. I seen his Instagram. I was like, oh hell yeah, you gotta tap in with him.
Met him. It was cool. So you wanted to do this ride. So come on, let's do it.
He's the only person out here with the clean Infiniti too. That's the big thing. Everybody has Infinitis, but they're not clean. They're buckets everywhere. Everybody got a bucket Infiniti.
Hey man, it's real bad for Infinitis right now.
Oh yeah.
It's real bad. Oh no.
A hybrid.
It's cool. We ain't gonna let this stop the show.
Oh man.
Sorry. Everybody in the comments, man, that I be really moving down these back roads.
Hell yeah. I was like, I don't know how we made half of these turns. Oh yeah, you be moving, bro. We got to 80 in like 6 seconds, bro. The train is so responsive too.
Feels real responsive. So how does it, how you like it? It's cool?
At 3.7, I need to upgrade.
You need to upgrade?
I need to upgrade.
You know what? I ain't gonna lie, like, when I had got rid of my, my G37 or whatever, I didn't think I was gonna miss it as much, but I really did miss that car just because of this motor. Like, this motor, like, I really thought I loved my G35, which I do. I love it. You know, it's my childhood dream car.
Right.
But I love this motor so much better. Just the sounds and, like, how quick it is. And a lot of people call these cars slow, and I don't understand it. It's not slow by far. But, I don't know, like, I just love VHR motors. I just love it. And especially that mine's is tuned. You know what I'm saying? It's cool.
You know, 'cause when you got a nice exhaust like this, they sound so good.
Sound good? My exhaust sound good?
They sound so good.
So it's just certified, y'all. Certified. The exhaust sound good. I got many compliments over that. And this is a straight pipe exhaust, and it don't sound nothing like my G37 when I did the straight pipe.
It's not hella raspy or annoying. It's like stock. It's
good.
Like just enough where you can hear it with the windows up.
Yeah.
But it's like not obnoxious when you don't want to hear it.
Exactly. It's real good. This car is great. You know, I did all that with the traction control off too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I'm not gonna lie, traction control. That's probably why it was so smooth. Cause traction control it like you could like traction control. Like I feel like is more dangerous to drive with.
You think so?
Because a lot of people rely on it, and then that's how you spin out. 'Cause if you don't have good tires or anything, you're relying on traction control.
Yeah. Luckily, these are some expensive tires. These are $400 tires for the rear. So
it look like
these are these are some great tires. So I like these Continentals. I think I'm gonna stay with these probably forever because these tires don't lose traction. Even when I want to, it don't. So it's cool. And I ain't doing no necessary donuts because these tires are expensive.
I already learned my lessons with that.
Damn. Couldn't get it to do it. Didn't have enough time.
These got big brakes too.
Yeah, they got big brakes. Sport brakes. Now I can show you a part of the tune. So in this tune, I have the regular bass tune, which is I guess the performance, map.
Right.
And then I have a valet mode. So with the valet mode, let's say if I let you use my car or whatever, right? And I don't trust you.
Right.
I'm like, all right, you can use my car. I'm gonna put it in valet mode, and I'm gonna show you in just a second what valet mode is and how slow the car drives. You can't shift past third gear. You can't go over 50 miles per hour. So let's do that on the freeway. Actually, let's turn it on.
Can you put that in like?
So this is valet mode. This is pedal to the floor.
So it just stay in gear. It won't go
Yep.
anywhere.
Won't go nowhere. See, I can't go past 50. Well, I think it's 60.
So it like locks the RPM.
Yep. You don't have the throttle. So this is how fast you can go. You can't go no faster than this, and it's gonna stay in third gear. See, watch. Oh yeah, it is 50. See?
Shit. That's hella rough.
So watch, when I take it off.
Shit.
So nobody can do no crazy stuff in your car. So that's cool. Cool little feature or whatever. But yeah, final thoughts about the car. What you think about it?
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's because it's a good mixture of luxury and performance.
Yeah.
Because it's like on the back roads, it's stiff enough, like just so you can handle and everything, take those turns without having to worry about bouncing off the road and stuff.
Yeah.
And then it's like luxurious, so it's smooth. Like I'm just like I could just cruise on there. We could be going like 200.
Yeah.
We'd probably be chilling.
Yeah, we'll be chilling for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I don't want to make this too long, man. This was a great ride along. Had to show bro what this Q50 do. And but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anything you want to say?
That's it.
That's
Man,
it.
you got the cleanest cars out.
I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate
Cleanest
it.
cars in Contra Costa I've seen.
Okay, I appreciate that. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.